everyone, this is Forrest from Signal Food Machinery Company, and today I will introduce you our full automatic marshmallow production line in our factory. This production line will be delivered these days, so before its delivery, I want to introduce this line's details to you. You can see beside me, this is the whole production line, and it is divided into mailing systems. Follow me to look at the systems one by one. Okay, look at the first part, the cooking system. You can see this is the jet cooker for melting the sugar, and this is the cooling tank to melt the gelatin and the starch. Do you know where we prepare the gelatin? You can use a small tank in your home or in your factory. Also, we can equip it with you. Look here. This two small tank is for the gelatin, and this is the storage tank for the continuous production. So the load pump transfer the raw material into this storage tank. Because this production line's capacity is about 40 to 250 kilograms per hour. If you want more capacity or want a smaller model, we also can customize for you. After the cooking system, we come to this air inflator. So this machine can let the air in the sugar let it become bone. You can imagine, and let the color of sugar be white. And then come to the color flavor mixing system, because you know, if we want to make the extruding marshmallow, right? The shape of candy will like the strip or four ropes mixed together. So there are four small tanks for different color and flavor. And behind this, equipped with the dosing pump to accurately adding the weight of the color and flavor. Then come to this part. This is the starch adding machine, and below this hopper there is a filter to let the starch evenly add on the platform. And there is another device. This shaped like a drum tube to make the starch more uniformly. Then come to the most important part for marshmallow production. You can see there are line extruders. After this system, the marshmallow will like the rope and come here and transfer on the platform. Then come to the end of this production line. You can see here, this is the cutting machine to cut the rope into short type. And the final product will drop this into this filter, and the marshmallow will transfer here to connect into the drying room, and the another starch will drop below. And you can see there is an elevator to transfer the extra starch and recycle them into this holder. And you can see why there are two layers, because this is for transfer the extra starch to the front part. This part, so it saves your raw material very much and save your cost. That's just the short introduction of our marshmallow production line. If you are interested in how to make marshmallow machine by our machine and want to start a factory to produce the marshmallow, you can subscribe my channel and contact me. I can help you and give you more support. This all about today's channel content. See you next time. Goodbye.